Hi, I'm Isabella, and our group Red Monster. And in the first section, the thing that I noticed the most was how Steve tried to deal with his guilt. I mean, the whole purpose of the movie is to kind of distance himself from the the events that happened and to try to get away from the guilt that he feels from being involved to whatever degree he was involved in the robbery and in the murder of the store clerk. Um, he said several times that if that what's happening to him while he's in prison and while he's on trial isn't real. On page 3, he says, if your life outside was real, then everything in here is just the opposite. We sleep with strangers, wake up with strangers, and go to the bathroom in front of strangers. They're strangers, but they still find reasons to hurt each other. And page 45, I can hardly think about the movie. I hate this place so much, but if I didn't think of the movie, I'd go crazy. All they talk about in here is hurting people. And the way that the scenes that he puts in the movie tried to portray him as a real person, as he says on page 60. And he often says that he wants to be treated like a human being because he wants a life, not he's not guilty or he's innocent. But he does say that anyone, on page 115, that anyone can walk into a drugstore and look around. Is that what I'm on trial for? I didn't do anything. Through Steve's perspective, it's still never really made clear the role that he had in the robbery, if he really is guilty or not. Because he says that he knew the guys involved and doesn't explicitly say, except when he's on, except later on in the book, if he did go into the drugstore or not, that he kind of contradicts himself several times. So the movie seems to be his way of trying to distance himself from what's actually happened because he can see the movie as not real life and kind of distance himself from the role that he had in the robbery.